Okay, now let's start to quiz our application. First of all, we start a code beta and quiz new project. Okay, we choose single view application and we create our basketball scoreboard. We choose Swift and we ask it to teach. Okay. Now we can add some tags to our application. Here we choose Apple Watch WatchKit. Okay. Now we have our interface storyboard in here. Take a look at this. First of all, we design our first interface, home scroll label and one label and two buttons. I put this to one group, and one group. Or we can make it is in here and here. No need group. Only here needs group. Okay. So one label. We can put this inside group if we want, but I think we don't need it. Okay, and now we need group and two buttons inside that. Okay, and two buttons, we will set it to width is 0.5. Okay, and two label, set it to the center and set it to home scroll. Okay, and we can change the color of this with font, and this label I think I will make it a little bigger. For example, now we have 0. Okay, we set it to bold yellow, and we can set its font size about 40. I think it's 50. Okay, now with this button we can change this to minus, and here we can change this to plus. Set this to bold with color. Okay, just color with bold. We should take it a little bigger. I think it's 25. Okay, 35. In here is 35. Okay, now you can see our first interface. Okay, we can check it if we want, and remember we have to choose to package both WatchKit and choose to here. Okay, now check. Stop. We run again. Run again. Okay, now first interface is good. Come back to our design. We need a menu item in here. You can check at the right side here. Menu. You can see here. First of all, we will push this menu to our interface. Okay. Now you can see I will run again and see how its menu work. We put in here and keep it. You see? Nothing show up. Okay. Now we have menu item. We can choose to info. Now run again. Okay, we have one menu item in here. And you can see here we have a little square at the left side, and we have total 4 square in here. So we can add a 4 menu item inside of this menu. Okay, you can change in here, or you can keep it from the right side to here. I like to change this here, and this menu item I can change this to the, we can see back green, red, blue, white. You can change the image from here. In normal, Apple already designed some image for us. In here we can play around with this. For example, I can change this green to info, red to accept, blue to more, blue, white to share. Now run again. And you can see here, now we have 4 menu item in here. Okay, for green, red, blue, and white, and each menu item we have a different image because Apple already designed, and we can choose it. Okay, or you can make it a normal. I can choose custom. No, I think I can choose info for all of this menu item. Now run. Okay, you can design your own image inside here, or you can choose in here. Okay, now first interface is okay. Now we will setting for another interface, and this interface you can see this our home score interface is similar like always score, so we can duplicate this home score and move the home score to always score. Okay, I will do that. Here you can see here, and I change this to away score. I change the color. That color, I change this to white. White. And I forgot because we only setting for green, red, blue, white, so we can change it to green. Green and green. Okay, so now we will make another interface. Okay, as this interface we have a label and one label here and home away label. Okay, now we can copy and paste to here. Score, we can set it to Y. And now we have two labels for score of our home and away score, so I think I put it inside the group. And in this group we have 3 labels. One for our 0, we set this to 50. We can set this to 50. And one for here. And for another, we set this to double. Okay. All of this is make it to the center. Okay. Now this text color, we set it to 0. Okay. And we need to label in here. Home, away. We have to put this home and label inside one group to keep it at the same horizontal. And we keep it to the right. Okay. Okay, now I think we will put this label and this label in the same group. Okay, so first of all I will check, first set it to bow, set it to 35, no, 20. Okay, I move it the outside and put it the same group. Here, for this group, we will set it to vertical. Okay, now we have one group for on, and put this group inside of that, and we set the width is to 0.45. Okay, in here is this is outside, and here we set it to the vertical. Is at the top, set it to 0.5. Keep it inside of this group. No, this group inside of this group. Okay, put it now. Now we keep this group is on the left, away group is on the right. Okay, and here I think we set it to the bottom. Now we set this away is similar bow, system bow 20, system bow 20. And you see our interface is perfect now. We can check. Oh, now we can check the second interface and the third interface. You can check by this and select this interface controller and click control and drag it to this interface, and we can choose relationship schedule is next page, and for another you can choose here is next page. Okay, It's similar like when using your iPhone. You can see in here we have one page and another page. So on our Apple Watch we have similar one page and another page and another page. Okay, now rerun. One page, you can see the dot inside here, and another page. Okay, I think it's better now. So in here now we have to hook on the element. In next section I will have you to hook on our interface to coding. Okay, see you in the lecture.